How to link EA account to Xbox. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can link EA account to Xbox. To do this is very simple. Just follow me as I show you how to do so in this video. The first step is to ensure that you have the Xbox application installed on your device. Now, once you have it installed, launch the app. Now, once you've launched the app, the next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see 3 dashes. Once you see this, ensure you click on it. Now, once you've clicked on it, a box will be displayed. Select settings, and then when you select settings, you will take it to the settings tab. On this page, you would see a menu just below settings, displaying options like my account, application, download, playtime, family time. Just scroll down until you can see the privacy option and then click on manage. Now, once you click on manage, you'll be redirected to your Chrome. All right, this is because you can only see this on Chrome. And then once you're redirected to Chrome, just go ahead and move to the left side of the screen where you can see the privacy settings. Then you scroll down until you see connections. All right, once you see this, click on it. Now once you've clicked on this, you would see different type of connections. Just navigate through to Xbox and then click on link. Now once you click on link, you'll be asked to send the verification code. All right, so that's just type in a verification code. So you click on send code, and then once the code has been sent to your email, check your email, input the code, sign in, and then once you sign in, from there, follow your screen instructions, and then you'll be taught on what to do. It's that simple. Okay, so this is how you can link or connect your EA account to Xbox. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.